In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add corner ribbon to Strikingly website. We'll keep this simple and clean so you can add a sale, new, or hot label to your site without touching code. And you'll create a small ribbon graphic, upload it to your Strikingly editor, and place it neatly in the corner of a banner or product image for a polished promotional look. First, create the ribbon image in a design tool like Canva or any editor you're comfortable with. Start with a square canvas around 300 by 300 pixels. That size is large enough to look crisp, but still easy to manage. Choose a diagonal ribbon shape that naturally points toward the corner of your image. Add short, bold text such as sale, new, or hot. Use a high contrast font that's easy to read at smaller sizes and stick to your brand color so the ribbon feels consistent with your site. Most importantly, set the background to transparent and export as a PNG. Transparency ensures the ribbon overlays cleanly on top of your site images without a boxy background. If you can, keep a little padding around the text so it doesn't crowd the edges, and name the file clearly for easy reuse. Next, upload the ribbon to your Strikingly site. Open the Strikingly editor and navigate to the exact section where you want the ribbon to appear. Click Add Image and upload your PNG file. You can attach it to a banner, a product image, or any section image. If alt text is available, add a short description like sale ribbon to support accessibility and search. Now position the ribbon. Drag the image to the top left or top right corner, depending on where it balances best with your layout. Resize it smaller so it reads clearly without overwhelming the content. Then place it over the product or section image you're highlighting. This approach works especially well on banner headers and product photos because the clean corner placement draws attention without blocking key details. As you position it, make sure it doesn't cover important text or buttons. If your section has multiple elements, align the ribbon so it sits consistently on each image. On mobile, preview your page and adjust the ribbon size so it remains readable and doesn't spill over other content. If the edges look soft, slightly reduce the size and check that the PNG exported at full quality. That's it. Create a crisp diagonal PNG ribbon, upload it in the Strikingly editor, and place it in the corner for an instant professional highlight on your banners and products.